Are you ready? Alright, climb on and go for a ride, buddy. You look cool. See if you can pedal. Okay, go forward. Need some help? Oh, put your feet on the pedals. Okay, let's start pedaling the other way. There you go. You're doing it! Steer it! You're gonna hit Daddy's truck. And if you, there you go. And if you push back on the pedals, it's the brake. Pedal the pedals, buddy. There you go. You're doing it. Good job, buddy. Keep pedaling. All right. Good job, dude. It's kind of hard. Good job, buddy. You're good. Ride it back to the garage.
Huh?
Ride it back to the garage.
Okay.
Yeah, go. Pedal, pedal, pedal. You stuck? Pedal, buddy.
Does the seat go higher already?
Yeah, the seat goes higher.
There's leverage on it.
Okay, put your feet on the pedals. There you go. Pedal, there you go.
Wow. Dude, that is so cool. How do you do that? That's amazing.
Good job, buddy.